Hi friends, it's Peggy Noe from PrettyPaperCards.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm here today to show you how to make these adorable Ladybug Paperclips, or you could use them for bookmarks. And I'm using the brand new Hello Ladybug stamp set. This comes out on January 4th, 2022, and it is so adorable. And it comes with a ladybug punch. I mean, can you believe that? So cute. So let's get started and I'll show you how to make one of these. We've got the two with the white dots on their wings, and one is a little rebel with black dots on her wings. We're going to make one with the white dots though. Okay, so we're going to start with our, let's start by stamping our wings, and we have the wings right here. And I have my stamp already mounted here. Today I'm using polished pink ink and paper. And so I'm going to stamp the wings on a little, just a little scrap of basic white cardstock. And so we're just going to stamp these little cute things right along here. I already know this is kind of how the punch lines up. So there are the wings. And then we'll go to our punch and we'll punch them out. And here they are over here. This is a neat punch with a line kind of down the center so that you can punch the ladybug separate and line it up, and the wings and line those up. So here are the wings. We just put them right in there like that. Easy peasy. And punch those little wings. And then I have a piece of polished pink cardstock, and we're going to punch out our ladybug. In fact, we need two ladybugs to create our paperclip. We need one for the back and one for the front. So we'll punch another one right there. Okay, so we've got two ladybugs and our little wings. Now we're going to start with the top. We'll have this be the top or the front of the ladybug. I'm going to use a bone folder to roll up the wings like that. And then I'm going to adhere them with just a little bit of multi-purpose glue. I'm just going to put it right along that little line right there. Just a tiny bit. And we just line that up right where the ladybug's head meets her body. And we're just going to let that set for just a minute. And then we're going to add some rhinestone basic jewels. I'm going to add these little tiny ones here. And I just want to make sure that her little wings are stuck on there. And so I'm just going to take some rhinestones and put them right up next to where the wings are attached. I'm going to start in the center and try to put 5, one in the center and 2 on each side. It kind of looks like she has a little necklace there, doesn't it? So let's see. Get that right side up. I use my scissors to handle the rhinestones. Some people use tweezers, or you can use your take your pick tool is another good thing to use to handle these little rhinestones. Let's see if we can adhere that right like that. I have them coming up a little bit on the sides because that makes it look kind of more like a necklace. Okay, now we're ready, and what we use to adhere these is the glue gun. So I'm going to turn the extra ladybug body to the back, and we're going to, this is kind of a different little paper clip. I was using some that I had on hand. And so I'm going to go ahead and use my glue gun and just really, squirt that all over like that so it really sticks. And then get some little dots up in here like that. I'll spread a little bit of it over there. And now I'm just going to put the ladybug body on. This is kind of the tricky part. You want to line up everything just right. and press down so that paper clip really sticks in there. And let's see. I want to make sure that sticks in, and we can always pull all these little, you know, with a glue gun you can pull these little pieces off. I might go back and do that, but it's not showing too much under there. And some got on my pad, but that's okay. We'll just pull that off. And there it is, already done. Wasn't that quick? Your little Ladybug Paperclip. And now we can bring our others in, and we have like a whole Ladybug Paperclip family. You can do this with any of the any stamps at all. Any little creation that you have, you can make paper clips. Aren't those just adorable? And so what you'll want to do is watch for this to go live on January 4th, 2022. The Hello Ladybug bundle, the stamp set and the punch. And I can't remember how much they are together, but you can go right on my online store and grab this. It makes adorable cards and all kinds of crafts. So I thought you'd enjoy learning how to make little paper clips. And so I hope you'll stop by my blog at prettypapercards.com and see what other fun things I'm making. Thank you so much for stopping by. Bye-bye.